Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the powerful AI video generator inside Canva. If you want to create amazing videos without editing skills, this tool can save you a lot of time. So, let's get started. First, open Canva on your mobile or laptop and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. After logging in, you'll see the home page where you can create different designs. Now in the search bar, type video and select any video template. Canva provides many ready-made templates, so you don't need to start from scratch. Next, look for the AI feature called Magic Media or Text-to-Video. This is where the real power comes in. Click on it. Now you just need to write a prompt. For example, you can type something like, create a motivational video about success with background music. After writing your prompt, click Generate. Canva's AI will automatically create video scenes, visuals, and even suggest animations. Once your video is generated, you can customize everything. You can change text, add your own images, adjust colors, and even add music from Canva's library. If you want voice, you can also use text-to-speech or upload your own voice recording. This makes your video more engaging. After editing, click on the Share button and then download your video in MP4 format. And that's it. You have created a professional video using AI in just a few minutes. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.